Viewers all over the world, you all know my name's Eze-Ana. I'm here to react on a trending video I saw on social media on the first day of November. You remember every first day of November and second day of November is a unique date with Catholics, these 2 days. On the 1st of November, they normally celebrate the feast they call All Saints. In this particular day, they celebrate the Mass and they believe there is indulgence in attending Mass in that particular day. And on that particular day, all over the world, they celebrate the saints, and on the second day, which is November 2, they celebrate what they call a Feast of All Souls. And in their teaching, they believe that the dead can actually intercede for the living. Then, on the first, that is All Saints, they use that particular day, they call upon the names of almost all the saints canonized by the church, and they'll be asking, responding ora pro nobis, Saint Maria Goratio, ora pro nobis, or pray for us, Saint Agatha, oh, pray for us, and the rest of them. Now, you ask yourself, why I want to react to this teaching is that you ask yourself, why is it that they are not calling people from the black, as in black race? They have already, I want to reset your brain to factory setting. How can somebody be telling you that all your lineage, the entire black race, nobody, including you that is watching this video, that none of them is worthy to be pronounced saints? Remember the protest they are doing with our own brother, Father Iwere Tans. They can't even pronounce him saints. Now, you ask yourself, how can on earth somebody will be telling you that in your own lineage, from your mother's side, down, back to creation, your father's side, down, back to creation when the world started, that none of them lived a good life that's supposed to be celebrated? And for you, Bakane Rigeri, you abandon all your ancestors. You don't even have a date to celebrate them. And you are there as a Catholic shouting, Saint Agatha, pray for us, Padre Pio, pray for us, this saint to pray for us, and Catherine Maria Emmerich, pray for us, Saint Francis of Assisi, pray for us. When was the last time you called your ancestors? Okay, God, pray for us. Are you saying that none of your ancestors is worthy to be celebrated? My brother, my sister, regain your senses and begin to celebrate your ancestors. Because if you refuse to do so, believe in me, no matter how suffer you suffer now, no matter how hard work you work for the benefit of your lineage, none of your children will ever celebrate you. You know why? Because you did not teach them the importance of celebrating their ancestors. May this lecture today be an eye-opener for you to discover the importance of recognizing your ancestors. Don't allow any anyari person, the white, to tell you that your ancestors are not worthy to be celebrated. Watch this video, you see where they are celebrating another person's ancestors. The same sense. Okay, Messiah.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, Saint Michael, Saint John the Baptist, Saint Joseph, Saint Peter and Saint Paul, Saint Andrew, Saint John, Saint Mark, Saint Mary Magdalene, Saint Stephen, Saint Ignatius of Antioch, Saint Lawrence, Saint Thomas Becket, Saint Thomas More,